Hey guys, Eric Obregon here with Reflection. I am the Regional Sales Manager in the North Central. Standing here in front of the Reflection 150 series. Here at Grand Design, our team wanted to redesign the way that the half-ton towable market is perceived in the marketplace by focusing on fifth wheels that were sub 34 feet in length, under 9,000 pounds in dry weight, and under 1,400 pounds on the pin weight, in order to accomplish most half-ton pickup trucks out there in the marketplace. By doing that, we've introduced a few concepts here. One known fact out there, guys, is over 600,000 Ford F-Series trucks were sold in America last year, and a large percentage of those trucks were the F-150 series, the half-ton pickup trucks. Most half-ton pickup trucks come equipped with a shorter bed, a 5.5-foot bed. So if you're new to the RV industry and you're purchasing something like this, you're also going to need a hitch to go in conjunction with the fifth wheel. Now, most dealers would recommend a slider hitch. Whether you have a 5.5-foot bed, 6.5-foot bed, it's always preferred that you have that slider hitch so that the front cap of the RV is moving away from the cab of your truck when you're making sharper turns. In this case, we felt like there was a need for something else out there to where a customer could purchase a normal companion hitch, save a little bit of money on the back end by introducing the turn point pin box on the Reflection 150 series. What this pin box does, guys, is it acts as a hybrid pin box. It's going to come to the dealer lot as a stock rigid pin box. So if you already have a slider hitch, great. This can still be used in the solid stock position. However, if you don't have a hitch and you're interested in purchasing one, you can purchase a stock companion hitch and convert this over to a hybrid turn point pin box, which is going to give you a true 90-degree turn radius by essentially moving the pivot point back 21 inches to give you that 90-degree turn radius. Hey guys, just wanted to show you a couple really cool features that we offer in the Reflection 150 series. Now, many of you might perceive the Reflection 150 series as a cheaper built unit, when in fact, it's totally the opposite. There's a lot of really key, nice features in here that we equip in the 150 series as well as our regular Reflection series. So I'm going to show you a few of those things. First thing here is the Nautilus Station here, the universal docking station. Guys, everything can be done right from here. So your termination valves are all in a heated enclosed compartment. You got an integrated water pump. You got your hot and water connection. You can do your power fill, your siphonization, your sanitization, your winterization, all right here, all in one place. Super easy, super convenient, okay? In addition to that, guys, one thing you'll notice here is we do have the motion sensor lighting in all your high traffic areas. So whether it's your pass-through, you're coming out in the middle of the night, or even inside that we'll get to later, you do have that motion sensor lighting that will automatically turn on for you when it senses any type of motion. And then over here, we have our Compass Connect one-touch auto level system. This is a brand new feature to the Reflection series. What's really cool about this, guys, is it's pretty exclusive to Grand Design. It's going to offer diagnostic tips specific to the VIN. So any customer that owns any 150 series out there, if there's any troubleshooting maintenance items that need to be addressed, this is coded to that specific VIN to where you will get specific messages and emails regarding those troubleshooting items on how to fix any issues that might evolve over time. Every single Reflection 150 series comes with laminated rear walls and laminated slide-out walls. The benefits to that, guys, you're not going to have to worry about your insulation settling over time. As we all know, your RV is a house on wheels. Non-laminated rear walls and slide walls are, one, easy to observe. You can go push on the rear wall, you're going to get some give and take. The reason being, it's a hung piece of fiberglass batten insulation, non-laminated piece of glass on the exterior. The issue with that is over time, as your unit is going down the road, over time that fiberglass batten is going to start to settle. You're going to lose R values in your camper. Here with the laminated rear walls, guys, you have a solid piece of rear wall and slide out wall. It's a aluminum framed cutout with a high density block foam insulation. You're never going to have to worry about the high density block foam insulation settling or loosening over time. You're going to be able to maintain your R factors because of the laminated rear walls and slide out walls. One thing we take a ton of pride in, guys, is listening to consumer feedback. And one of the things that we've constantly heard over the years, whether it was at shows or dealers' lots or sales feedback, was that more and more customers were looking to tow something behind their fifth wheel. So what we've done is we've integrated a 2-inch receiver hitch that's actually welded to the frame. The nice thing about it is it comes prepped and wired for towing with the 4-way plug here. It's rated for 3,000 pounds towing and 300 pounds on the tongue. Another really neat feature, guys, about the Reflection 150 series is our 1.5-inch thick, fully insulated baggage doors. Most of the time, guys, when manufacturers are trying to save weight and build a half-ton towable fifth wheel, they're going to compromise the door quality, for example. So typically you're going to find a 1/2-inch door, it's not insulated, and it comes with the cam locks, okay? And it's really a cost saver, it's also a weight saver. Here, we're not compromising any of that. So you're going to get the 1.5-inch baggage doors, again, fully insulated. You got the magnet catchers up here, and then it shuts just like an automotive door would. All right, here to introduce a brand new feature to the Grand Design 150 series. We've now implemented the Goodyear tires. Guys, these are backed with an industry-leading 5-year warranty, in addition to a 1-year no questions asked guarantee. These are all E-rated tires, rated for 87 miles per hour, and they are made here in the USA. All right, as I referenced early on the outside, guys, we recently introduced the exclusive Compass Connect one-touch auto level system to all Reflection 150 series. In addition to what I mentioned out there as far as real-time diagnostics, this can also control your lighting, your slide outs, your leveling, and awnings from the palm of your hand, which makes it super convenient for you when you're ready to break camp, set up camp, whatever the case may be. You can do everything directly through your phone. Another feature that remains consistent among all Reflection products, including the Reflection 150 series, is ductless flooring. You'll notice there's no ductwork in the floor. A lot of our competitors do put ductwork in the floor. For example, typically there's going to be a grate right here in the floor. So what's that do for the end user? One, it creates soft spots in the floor. Okay, it also is a potential debris hazard, right, for any fur, dirt, whatever the case might be. And then in addition to that, typically it's always in front of either a theater seat or a trifold sofa. So you lose the functionality of that heat source whenever somebody's going to be in the trifold sofa. So when it's extended out, it's over the heat duct, and so you lose some of that heat source. So here, you're not going to lose any heat source because it's all integrated in the cabinetry. And you'll see here as a visible example, we integrate it into the cabinetry versus the floor so that it's a maximum performance for your heat distribution. And you're not having to worry about stepping on it, debris falling into it. It's just a nice, simple, clean look on the floor. All right, another cool feature for the Reflection 150 series, guys, is the amount of 110 outlets that we have placed throughout this unit. Every single one of our units come with 15 designated outlets, and they're all strategically placed. So they're not just plastered anywhere for the sake of having more outlets. They're all in a place that we think is going to be the most functional for the end user. In addition to those 15 110 outlets, we also have USB ports in both the living area as well as the bedroom. That way you can run your USB cord, it runs off your battery. And again, those are equipped in both the living room and the bedroom. All right, guys, here you'll see on all our window treatments, guys, we've recently again introduced roller shades. Okay, what's pretty custom in the industry is either the accordion style shades or the faux wood blinds. Okay, we just think this gives a nice, cleaner, richer look for the end user. Again, a lot of good feedback with the type of roller shades we're using now. A lot less maintenance too, because with the accordion style, the strings that come with it and whatnot, they typically get loose, and the shades will typically either fall or they won't, or they keep falling down on the end user. So with these, again, it's really maintenance free. It's a much cleaner look, and it's a nice feature that we offer in every single Reflection 150 series. All right, make sure you guys are pointing this feature out to your customers because it's not as evident when you're on the outside of the unit. You will see this POP here, guys. Every single 150 series now comes prepped and wired for roof-mounted solar. Okay, and at Grand Design, guys, we offer 3 different options. It's a good, better, best proposition, either a 300, 600, or 900 watt system. The customer has a choice of whatever system they want. That can be ordered directly through your parts department. But the nice thing, guys, is it now comes prepped and wired for it. On all Reflection 150 series fifth wheels, all that wiring is run down into the battery compartment. So it's an easy install. It's just a plug and play type of deal. And it makes it really nice and convenient for your customers that are looking to do a lot more boondocking, off the grid type of stuff now that we offer that roof mounted solar prep package. Also, guys, something new that we've recently introduced is the WineGuard Air 360 antenna. Okay, it's a brand new antenna that we've equipped on all the 150 series. It also comes Wi-Fi prepped. Okay, so there's a gateway router that you can also have your customers purchase aftermarket. You will now get Wi-Fi in the unit. So all that is prepped and wired for it with the new WineGuard Air 360 Plus antenna. Okay, a few more things I want to touch on, guys. First of all, in order to obtain a lighter weight unit without compromising the structure integrity of the unit and the quality and whatnot, there's a few key things I want to point out of what we do different in the 150 series compared to the regular reflection series to help save on the weight. Okay, the first is being the countertops. Okay, we use the Surfex vinyl top material versus the solid surface, which is typically what you're going to see in a regular reflection series. That's all in an effort into maintain proper weight. Okay, and again, we're not compromising the quality of the countertops, if you will, because you will see that we are not using any type of T-mold in here. All right, this is a solid Surfex wrapped vinyl top piece. Okay, it's going to hold up to the heat and withstand those type of elements. So that is one way that we're able to maintain proper weight in the unit. Another reason here is a smaller fridge. Okay, in every single 150 series, besides one of our floor plans, you're going to find an 8 cube fridge. Okay, once you get up to the 12 cube, again, it's adding more weight. So in this case, again, you see the 8 cube reefer. It's going to help maintain weight. All right, guys, there's a large misconception out there that because this is a 150 series, it's shorter, it's lighter in weight, that we've compromised the structure integrity or the quality of the unit, when in fact that's the complete opposite. There's a few things that I'm going to show you that we essentially took out in order to help maintain proper weight to make it as half-ton towable as possible. The first thing you'll notice here is in the bedroom, we don't offer any type of wardrobe side. Okay, a big reason for that, anytime you have a wardrobe side in the bedroom, it's going to affect the pin weight. And what we found when studying half-ton pickup trucks is if you could stay under that 1,400 pound threshold, you're going to be able to find most half-tons out there that are able to tow something because of the lighter pin weight. You add a wardrobe slide onto this unit, then your pin weight goes to 1,400 pounds, up to 16, 17, 1,800 pounds, and now you're exceeding most half-ton pickup trucks and what they're able to actually carry in the bed of their truck. So what you'll see that we've done, since we've lost the wardrobe slide, is we added the big panoramic window over here. You've got your emergency window exit window over there, okay? Now again, you're not losing any extra wardrobe space because we still give you this nice wardrobe closet here, plus the overhead cabinets over there, so you're not losing much storage when it comes to that because you don't get the wardrobe slide anymore. In addition to that, guys, there's a few other pointers I wanted to show you that we've kind of decontented, if you will, to help save weight. First thing here, or the second thing, is the countertops. You'll notice that they're not solid surface. They're actually a Surfex vinyl top material. And a big reason for that, guys, is again, weight. You add a solid surface countertop here, it's going to continue to increase the weight. So we found that this works just as well with it. We're not compromising the quality of it. We're not using a T-mold material or anything like that. So this is still a good sound material. It's just a lighter weight material to help keep that weight down. And then third here, guys, is a fridge. So 99% of our 150 series models right now comes with an 8 cube reefer. We have one that comes with a 12, but this is able to help us, again, keep the weight down, make it as half-ton towable as possible. Now, are these geared strictly just for half tons? No, by all means, if you have a 3/4 ton, 1 ton, but you just want something smaller, lighter, easier to pull, then this is what you're looking for. A few other things, the mattresses. In any bunkhouse floor plan that you find, especially in a lot of our competitors, you're going to find a 2, maximum of a 3-inch memory foam or teddy bear mattress, as they like to call that, okay? We've upgraded all our mattresses and all Reflection 150 series bunkhouse floor plans to the 4-inch thick teddy bear mattresses, so it's much more comfortable for the kids, the adults that are laying in these. Another cool feature with the Reflection 150 series, guys, is our ducting system for the ACs. Now, every single 150 series models comes equipped 50 amped, okay? So your 15K BTU AC, which is your primary AC, is a ducted AC. And then your bedroom AC, if you choose to go that route, is already prepped and wired for that second AC, fully ducted, okay? It's a racetrack figure 8 system, so you get a lot more airflow throughout the unit versus having a dump AC in both the living room and the bedroom. Because it's not ducted, you just got airflow coming straight down, so you lose the efficiency of the airflow. With the racetrack duct system, you're gonna get much more equivalent airflow throughout the unit, much more comfortable feeling for the end user, especially in a hot weather or cold weather climate. All right guys, now that we've concluded, just want to say thank you guys for joining me on the Reflection 150 Series tour. As you can see guys, we truly have redefined the half-ton towable marketplace with this Reflection 150 Series, full of great features, great content, at affordable price, lightweight, and easy to tow fifth wheel.